Good morning, students. Here I'll welcome you for our virtual class, and our today's topic is Mr. Nobody. So, Mr. Nobody is a person. Mr. Nobody is a person who are not exist. Okay, who is not exist, but still, it is we are pretending that this person is doing all this work. For example, here I know a funny little mouse as quiet as I know a funny little man as quiet as mouse. Who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house? There is no one ever sees his face, and yet we all agree that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. So it means that here author means a poet means an unknown, nobody knows who has written this poem. This poet said that he knows a person. He knows a person who is so quiet as a mouse. You know that mouse, so quietly he run in our house. Even he sits any corner in any hole of our house. So he's so quiet. Quiet means silent. He's so quiet in the house. But that is a man, not a mouse. It means we are comparing that man with a mouse. Who does the mischief that is in everybody's house? Mischief. Mischief means your naughtiness. Who is doing the naughtiness in the house? See, here the picture they have given. See this naughtiness. Okay, means with muddy legs and muddy breath, and even the who is standing in the kitchen and who is trying to take something. Someone is there who is trying to take a plate, who is trying, suppose your mother is kept a chocolate in one jar and she kept that jar at the top. Okay. And but you want it. But then what do you take? You took a table, you just climb on that and you're trying to take the jar. But while taking that, it suddenly plate get cracked. Plate get cracked. If anyone asks you, just like in this picture, a father, a person is asking that who done this? Then you all are saying, I don't know, Mr. Nobody. कोई नहीं था लेकिन ये हो गया. That person is a nobody. Here means the mischief is done. Someone is taking a chocolate from the jar. While taking that chocolate, plate has broken, and you are hiding themselves that someone has done while taking plate that break up. But you hide yourself. It means that someone has done it. If anyone asks you, who did it, then you all are saying, I really don't know who did it. I really don't know who did it. So here, student, there is some words. You can write it down. Quiet. Here, quiet means the silent. Quiet. Quiete. Quiet. Quiet means silent. Okay. Mischief. Mischief means annoyance. Mischief means annoyed. Yet. Yet means then also. Yet means then also. Cracked. C-R-A-C-K-E-D. Cracked. Cracked means to break. To break apart. Okay. These are the new words. Is he who always tears out books, who leaves the door ajar. He pulls the buttons from our shirts and scatter things afar. That squeaking door will always squeak. For pretty, don't you see? We leave the to be done by Mr. Nobody. See, students, here it means what? This person, okay, this person means, in fact, who always tears out breaks, tears out books means someone is trying to tear the pages from the books. Normally, कोई भी क्या करता है? कुछ भी काम करना रहेगा, they are not getting a paper directly, they tear out the book. If anyone asks who did this, I don't know. I don't know. Means someone has did it. Who leaves the door ajar? Okay. Means someone who always who leave the door half open. Sometimes it happens in our house. Now in everyone's house, the fridge is there. Okay. Refrigerator is there. Mostly you just kids like you, they always keep the door open and then never close it properly. But if mama asks, I don't know who opened. I guess किसी और ने किया रहेगा. Okay, it means that who always leaves the door open and always pulls the button from our shirt. Normally, mamas क्या करती है? बेटे को ना ऊपर तक buttoning करती है. They always keep the buttoning till the top. So, but if you don't want to keep your buttoning till top, so mostly students like you, not I'm saying all, some, they pulls out the buttons from our shirt. And while playing, might be the pins get scattered. Yeah, just like shown in this, the pins are scattered on the floor. And the door squeaking means that squeaking door always squeak, but nobody see. And we leave, but okay, we all are seeing it. That door is squeaking, बार बार ऐसा आवाज कर रहा है. But we never put the oiling. We never put the oiling to that. If you put the oil, that awaaz gets stopped, the squeaking gets stopped. But nobody will put the oil. Who will pull? Mr. Nobody. It means that pages are turning out. We keep the door open just like a refrigerator. Pins are scattered on the floor. The door, if the squeaking, we keep it like squeaking. If anyone asks, then you will say, Mr. Nobody has done. मतलब किसी ने तो किया है, हमें पता नहीं लेकिन वो कौन है? Mr. Nobody. So here, dear, tis. The meaning of tis is, in fact. Meaning of tis is the in fact. Ajar. Ajar. Ajar means half open. Ajar means half opened. Okay. Scatters. Catters. Scatters means spray. Scattered means sprayed. Squeaking. Squeaking. Squeaking means a pitch sound, a short high-pitched sound. Okay, and here the next pretty. P-R-I-T-H-E-E. Meaning of this pretty is please. Okay, write down in your book. The finger marks upon the door where none of us are made. We never leave the blinds unclosed. To let the curtains fade, the ink we never spill, the boots that lying round you see are not our boots, they all belong, Mr. Nobody. So see students, in this it is shown in this picture that someone's finger marks. If you are playing, your fingers are dirty, and if you're trying to open that door, definitely your finger marks on that door. Okay, that finger marks on the door, and but we all are saying we have not done this. ये हमने नहीं किया है. Okay, and we never blinds unclosed. Okay, so we never blinds unclosed. It means that to let the curtain fade. It means that we are not supposed to. Okay, we are not supposed. If you are open the curtains and just trying to unclose it, someone has done, but I have not done. And while if you have any work of ink, if you will try to open it and ink is spilled out, it means fall down. Okay, but you all are saying, no, I have not done it. I have not made it dirty. And on the floor, someone's boots, a foot boots mark are there, a muddy foot mark, but still it gets ended from the door to till here. It's your foot, but still you are saying, I have not done. Who has done? The someone has done means Mr. Nobody has done. I have not done it. Okay, so here fade, F-A-D-E, fade. F-A-D-E. Fade means to lose brightness. To lose brightness. B-R-I-G-H-T-N-E-S-S. Brightness. Spill. S-P-I-L-L. Spill means to fall down. To fall down. Okay, blinds. Okay, blinds means covering a window or to keep out light. To covering a window. For a window. To keep out light. Write down.